morning everyone. So yesterday because of some problem we couldn't able to make the video. So we are again back with the new exercise 3.2. As if I remember, in the last video I have solved question number 1 from exercise 3.2. Today we are going to solve with question number 2. Now for question number 2, what they have given is see figure 3.14 and write the following. Some questions are given and in the next page one graph is given. With the help of the graph we have to find out all the answers of this one. Now if you see question number 2.1, that question is the coordinates of B. That means we have to find out what are the coordinates of B. So for that what you have to do is, please see the graph that is present in the next page. In that next page, that graph that is present, search where point B is there, because in the question they ask us to find out the coordinates of B. So first of all what we will do, at the graph we will see where the point B is. Now in the point B, see there are two lines are present. One is x-axis, another one is y-axis. We all know that in the graph this kind of line is called as the x-axis, this kind of line is called as what? Y-axis. Now if you see the graph in that particular book, point B is present somewhere here. So what you have to do, you have to find out what is the value of x and what is the value of what? Y. For that what we have to do is, we have to see x is, that point B is present over which number in the x-axis. So if you see, you will find out that point B is present at -5 in the x-axis. Similarly, it is present in the y-axis at point 2. If you see the number where point B is present, in the y-axis it is present at number 2. In the x-axis it is present at what? Number at -5. So the coordinates of point B I will write inside the bracket. Every time remember, coordinates is always written in bracket and in between them there will be a comma. The first number will be the value of x, second number will be the value of what? Y. So in x-axis it is present, the point B is present at what? -5. So first it will become -5. Then if you see in the y-axis it is present in 2. So 2. So this -5, 2 is the coordinate of point B. Understood? Next question, if you see the coordinates of point C. Now you have to see what are the coordinates of point C. So if you look at the question, if you look at the graph, point C is present somewhere here. Okay, and just like the earlier question, we have to see first of all that point C is present over which number in x-axis, and then we have to see that point C is present in which point at axis Y. So first of all, if you see, it is present at number 5 in the x-axis and it is present at number -5 in the y-axis. So the coordinates of point C will be what? 5, which is +5, which is the coordinate of x. Always remember, first number is you have to write the value of x. Second, it is present at -5 in y-axis. So 5, -5 are the coordinates of this point C. Now question number 3, if you look at the question number 3, they told us to do what? The point identified by the coordinates -3, -5. Which point gives us -3 and -5? -3, the first number is -3, that means it is present in x-axis. Second number they have said -5, that is present in what? Y-axis. So please see the point in which -3 in the x-axis is present and -5 in the y-axis is present. That point, if you see properly, that point is point E. E is present in x-axis at -3 and at y-axis it is present at what? -5. So the answer of question number 3 will be point, we'll write it here like this, point E. That will be the answer. So I hope you guys have understood all the questions. In that same manner, you will solve 4, 5, 6, 7 and question number 8. This 4 to 8 will be the homework for today. That will be the last question of exercise 3.2. From tomorrow onwards we will start with exercise 3.3. Thank you one and all.